Hey everyone, big news for all UPSC EPFO aspirants. The moment you've been waiting for is almost here. The Union Public Service Commission is set to release the admit cards for the EPFO exam to 0 to 5 in the third week of November. This recruitment is for the post of Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer, and Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner. Remember, you'll need your admit card to enter the examination hall. To download it, just head over to the official website, upsc.gov, and look for the admit cards section. Find the link for the EPFO exam 2025. Enter your registration details, and that's it. You can then download and print your hall ticket. The application fee was just 25 rupees for most, and free for female, SC, street, and disabled candidates. Don't forget to double-check all your details on the admit card. For a direct link and step-by-step instructions, check the description below. Good luck to everyone, and be sure to subscribe for more updates.